Hello, in this section we'll be talking about the motor topology and construction. One of the most significant differences between our motor and traditional motors is the topology. Ours is an axial flux motor versus most motors in the market today are radial flux. One way to think about this is ours is much like an Oreo cookie where you have two rotors sandwiching our Aircore EC stator, whereas traditional motors are more like a hot dog in a hot dog bun where your hot dog is being surrounded by the bun, which would be the conventional stator. This topology allows for a simple construction. It starts off with a rotor that's made up of steel disc and magnets on the underside, then our core technology, which is the Aircore EC stator, and then another rotor on the other end. That's press fit on the shaft and then put into a motor housing. We will show you an exploded view of our motor. So we have the rotor, the housing, the PCB, another rotor, and then finally the other half of the motor housing. We've also integrated sensors right into the motor, so we can pull temperature data right out of that and pull that into our integrated VFD. This is the impeller that provides cooling across the motor housing and across the VFD housing, and then finally our VFD comes on the back of the motor. One of the key aspects of our VFD design is that it's very serviceable. Both the individual components can be replaced and removed in the field, or the entire VFD module can be replaced and removed in the field. To recap, here's our motor in an exploded view. Starting on the left-hand side is our VFD, followed by the impeller that provides cooling across both the motor and the VFD housing, and then the motor housing, which incorporates our two rotors and a stator, and the bearings, as well as the grounding ring on the far right.